Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dan with Destruction RC. Here at the Stampede, I have a quick job to do on this today. This is a self-inflicted issue. If you've watched any of our previous how-to videos, Justin pretty much always talks about not over-tightening screws. Well, the other night we were getting ready to go to the track. I was trying to get my steering all tuned up and over-tightened a screw here in the bell crank and snapped the plastic. So I get to take half my truck apart to fix that this morning. This is entirely my fault for over-tightening the screw. So let this be a cautionary tale to y'all. Just tight enough. All right, so we're gonna take the front part of the truck off. These are 2.5mm hex screws in here. Got the MIP tools. Disconnect the servo. That's going to be the 2mm. And what I have here is the 6845X. This is a kit that has it has the bell crank, servo saver, spring retainer, pretty much the whole setup in there. I'm just going to replace that bell crank, the one that I broke, and keep the rest as spare parts. You can see here, this is the one I broke. Snapped it right there, just over tightening that screw. So let's get the one out I need. Okay, so you got to use, there's a little bearing in there, you got to use the old one. The bearing didn't come in this kit, which this bearing looks a little beat. Wish I had a new one to put in there, but we don't. So, here's what it is. I had this little washer in there, so I'm just going to keep it. And 2.5mm. Not too tight. Okay, get these last two screws in.